Good morning and welcome to a special quick episode of our small space gardening. We have brought in our tomato plant, and this is a rarity because we have 30-mile-an-hour winds here in Destin, Florida. And in fact, you can see the windmill has been brought in, but this thing is going to get whipped around a lot. In fact, you'll notice one of the tops got broken off here, and I have to adjust for that. We have a 300-watt light bulb, LED light bulb equivalent, I should say. 300-watt equivalent light bulb here shining on it for today, but it will be going back out tomorrow. So one day we have moved this thing inside. I knew it was going to happen sometime. So here we are. You'll notice the buds are still looking great in there, looking wonderful, and we are ready to rock. Please subscribe and have a blessed day.